Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to add ice physics to your Scratch project. So basically, the regular script, I'll show you. I have a regular script here. This one. No, it's not this one, but it's basically like sturdy every time, and when you try moving, it's like this. Here's my showcase. See, it stops. There's no ice physics. I'll be showing you how to make ice physics to your Scratch games. So first, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to click on See Inside. And so first, we're going to drag out a when start clicked block. And we're going to go to variables. And we're going to delete this variable because we don't need it. And now we're going to make a variable. The first one we're going to call X velocity. This means the right or left side of your screen. Click on for this sprite only. Click on OK. Make another one called Y velocity. Okay. I'm going to show these to showcase what they do. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is drag out a forever block. Then drag out one if block. Then go to sensing and drag out the key block. And we're going to make this right arrow. And now we're going to go to variables. And then we're going to change X velocity by 1. And so when we press right arrow, you can see it's adding the X velocity by 1. And one thing we want to do when the game starts, we're going to set both the Y velocity and X velocity to 0. Now we're going to duplicate this script. And we're going to click on left arrow. And then we're going to make this minus. And we're going to duplicate this 2 times, and I'm going to make sure up arrow makes Y velocity by 1, and down arrow changes Y velocity by -1. Now you see it's not doing anything. Now here's a way to fix that. All you have to do is go to motion, click on change X by, and change Y by at the very end of your script. Go to variables, drag out X velocity and put it into change X by, and drag out Y velocity and change Y by. See, our sprite has ice physics. And the reason we put X velocity and Y velocity to 0 is so whenever we start the game, it'll start at 0. And also, we want him to start in the middle. So you want to go to motion. You want to drag out this block called go to. You want to go to X0 and Y0. This will be the middle of your screen. Then you can just click out of your X velocity and Y velocity. And there you go. You have an ice physics character that's not sturdy. You have ice physics over and over. And in a later Scratch tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a full-fledged platform. And by the way, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to get new uploads whenever I make new tutorials and videos. And before I say bye, I'm going to go ahead and save this. Save. So my stuff. This is one variation of a platformer. It's my second newest platformer. It's called Blue Square Mitra Land. Go check it out. Just gonna go and play. It's mobile compatible, so you can touch where you want to go. You can use arrow keys for computer. Ooh. And here's a glitch that you can fix. I'll explain another tutorial here. Like, if you have like a regular coin script, let's say this is your coin script. Forget about the position thing. It says hide, but when you touch, it's hiding, but then it'll show always. Here's a way to fix that before I leave. Just put in the forever block, and it'll hide forever, no matter what. Okay, well, see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell to get new uploads whenever I make a new video. Bye!